welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook lead ads lead in Google Sheets for Dance Academy. So as the owner of a Dance Academy, I am running some Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ads, then automatically I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for your Dance Academy. This will help you keep all the inquiries organized, save time and follow up with the potential students more easily. Alright, so as you all know that I run a Dance Academy and I use Facebook lead ads to promote my classes. So it's important for me to keep track of all the people who show interest. Manually noting down every lead takes time and increases the chances of missing someone. By automatically adding the Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets, I can keep all the inquiries organized in one place. This way I can quickly check the list, follow with the interested students and even share the details with my team. It saves me time, keeps me organized and helps me convert more inquiries into actual dance class registrations. Alright, so here on the screen you can see my Facebook page that I've created with the name Fusion Dance Academy, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So now here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead over here through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically all the lead details should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad through a lead ads testing tool by Meta. Alright, so this is a lead ads testing tool by Meta and this is our lead form. So I'm going to make a test form submission. So here you can see the pre-filled details that I've added over here, such as first name, last name, email and the phone number. Alright, so now here to make a form submission, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And it says thanks. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here where we have received the first name, last name, email and the phone number. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with your Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as add Facebook lead ads leads in Google Sheets for the Dance Academy. And then it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. And now here I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I'm going to select my desired account and authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then he's asking me to select the page name. So here I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Fusion Dance Academy. So I'm going to select that particular page over here, and after selecting my desired Facebook page, it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So now here to get this lead gen form, let me all take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see all the forms that I've created over here for my page. So now here in this particular case, I'm going to select my form as new dance lead forms 2. You can select the form as per your need. And now here let me take you back to my Pabbly's workflow. Here I'm going to select my lead gen form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Alright, so now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, what we are going to do is that we are again going to use lead as testing tool by Meta. So let me take you there. And now here before creating a new lead, I need to delete my previously existing lead. As it says, you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete a previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here I'm going to select my page that I've already created with the name Fusion Dance Academy, and then I'm going to select my form as new dance leads form, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a form submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And it says thanks. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number, and some other details as well. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received new lead details for our Facebook lead ads, then I want to add these lead details in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in this action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets, and here I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that all my lead details should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so now here to build this connection, I'm going to click on this connect, and here to build this connection I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Fusion Dance Academy Leads. So I'm going to select that particular spreadsheet over here, and now after selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking me to select the sheet. So I'm going to select the sheet as sheet 1, and then here is asking me to enter the first name, last name, email, and the phone phone number. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, I'm going to map the lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name of the lead. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address. And lastly, I'm going to map the phone number. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail over here in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here where we have received the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets, so that whenever a new lead is received through our Facebook lead ads, then automatically all the lead details are going to be added as a new row in our Google Sheets. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Facebook lead ads leads in Google Sheets for the Dance Academy. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.